Assalamu alaikum. This is me Rabia Fees from batch 19 of Aamir Ahmer Academy, and today I want to share my experience with this academy. So the word digital marketing was unknown to me till September 2022. However, after getting enrolled in this academy, not only did I learn digital marketing, but I also learned practical implementation skills. And Alhamdulillah, today I'm earning well with the continuous support of our mentor Sir Amir and his team. If I talk about the benefits I got from this academy, then I think they are worth more than the minimal fee they charge from you. With weekly live learning module sessions, you get lifetime access to all the recorded lectures. You get WhatsApp support groups and Facebook community where you can ask your queries anytime you want. And this is not it. There are daily live Q&A sessions, and you also get weekly tasks to improve your communication skills, which also boost your confidence. But what I love most about this academy are earning module sessions where you get to talk to your mentor every Friday and where you also learn new methods and techniques according to immediate market demand to utilize in your skills. So, whoever is watching this video right now, I just have one message for you that if you are looking for any shortcuts, then this academy is not for you. But if you have long term goals in your life, you are consistent and dedicated, and you want to learn new things every day, then do join this academy and be a part of this ecosystem where we learn together and grow together. Thank you.